Yeah, I don't care, Dad. You want to say I'm down behind this shit, man. Okay, but you lock his ass up.
He tried to swing. He missed. I got up. I backed up.
On February 15th, deputies responded to a reported family disturbance in Palm Coast, Florida, where they found 4 people involved in a heated verbal confrontation in the roadway. As deputies worked to separate the group and calm the situation, a 24-year-old man repeatedly tried to re-engage with the others despite being directed away. The man then swatted at a deputy's arm when officers attempted to keep the situation under control.
He wants to run out on the floor. He do the knock down parties. He's so your kids.
Hey.
I don't care, Dad. You want to say I'm down behind this shit, man. Okay, but you lock his ass up.
All right. Come over here, man.
He's so soft and pure.
22 Victor.
Soft. I hope your kids. Hope your kids, nigga.
Come on.
I hit you when you sit down.
You cuffs right now?
Oh, fuck, man. Get off me. Man, get your ass off me, man. Move, man.
Hey, put your hands behind your back.
Oh, you so stupid. Around.
Hands behind your back.
I got him right here.
No, back up, sir.
Hold on, man. I'm helping him.
Back up.
I'm helping him.
All right, I got it. Thank you.
God damn. Don't throw my man at me, man.
Hey, yo. You need to back up. Come here. Listen, we don't.
Is this yours, sir?
Yeah. Listen, we don't know what's going on. We just coming in. I appreciate you helping. You gotta understand. We come up on these things.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
And you're a big man. You already scared. What happened?
That's my son.
That's your son. What happened?
He got a ride over here. That's my granddaughter's dad. He just got a little life. Came over here. He started with him. I'm trying to break it up. My house mess. And I'm trying to, bro, just go. Yeah, I'm good. Go, just go. And I'm trying to control him. The cop come up. He foot around and push the car. That's
Yes, sir.
And then we start strapping. I'm trying to, man, what the f you doing? I'm going to jail now. So that's when we had him on the car. And then y'all came around.
So this is your son as well?
Yeah, this is my son.
This is your grandson?
No. My granddaughter father.
Okay.
My granddaughter father.
So who's fighting who or who's arguing? Did it get physical with y'all in the house?
It always try to get physical, but I'm in the middle of it. I'm got him detained on inside my house.
Yes, sir.
And then they just talking shit. And then when he came up,
This young man just here and your son?
yeah, and my daughter, my daughter got a baby from him.
Okay.
So they just reunited.
Okay.
He didn't like it.
Oh, starting to come together.
And
I'm old. You got to put it together for me.
Yeah, I'm 50. I'll be 55 in 2 months. So
I'm ahead by a year. Hey, we're still good.
yes, sir. And can I apologize to this cop here?
Oh yeah. We understand. Listen. This happens every time we come. He understands.
But like I say, we had him contained, and then when he came around, man, he just done up everything now.
Yeah.
He got
He doesn't like them being back together. That's what it's all about.
Yeah.
So was him and him physical?
No, they
Wrestling?
They was trying to get physical, but I jumped in.
Yes, sir.
And I had him contained on, because I got a glass door. I had him contained on the door.
Okay.
And then I told my wife, because I couldn't allow, I had him, and my wife came and unlocked the door, and I took him out.
Okay.
But he talking, bro. Look how he talking. He wouldn't do that when I hit him, man.
All right, ignore that. We're trying to find out what's going on, okay?
What happened? We're going to get their story out. All right?
Man, bro, I don't want to talk, man. I don't want to talk.
How's it going, sir? So, obviously, I wasn't here for whatever was going on. You want to give me a rundown of what happened?
Sure. Her dad, my kid is here.
Mm-hmm.
They invited us over for dinner or whatever. We came over and ate. I spoke with her dad about what was going on because we had a baby. And I got 4 other kids. So
Okay.
it's like, you know how it be, it's rough.
Yeah.
So it's like, he feel his way, you feel me? Me and his
Who's
dad.
that, her brother?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
my daughter's mom's brother.
Okay.
He feel his way. I'm a grown man at the end of the day.
Mm-hmm.
We could have talked about the situation.
Yeah.
We heard her knock at the door. He came in. I was sitting like this.
Yep.
And as if you were him, he came in from behind me. He tried to swing. He missed. I got up. I backed up.
Were the two of you having an argument or something?
No.
Your baby mama?
We're cool. The argument was between me and him. Well, it wasn't even an argument. Like, he feel his way.
You guys got beef prior? Or?
I don't even know him, bro. Like, I don't even know him, bro. Like,
Do you have your ID on you, sir?
why do I need my ID? I didn't commit a crime.
For the investigation.
Huh?
For the investigation.
Yeah, we were here investigating.
I got a picture on my phone.
That's fine. As long as I got a name and date of birth, that's fine.
Did anyone else see any of this happen?
Huh?
Did anyone else see any of this happen, or was it just you three?
We were all in the house. We were eating. He came in. We were all of us were in the house eating.
Did anything get physical?
Nah, nothing got physical. Like,
Okay, until the officer came?
Yeah.
What happened when the officer came?
Shit. His dad was backing him up.
Back in the officer up?
No,
or?
his dad was backing. The dude that's in the car is his son.
Yeah.
So he was backing, like, trying to tell him just back up and just go down the street. Like, just go, just leave. And
Telling the officer that, or telling his
he's
son?
telling his son
Okay,
to leave. This
I got
officer
you.
wasn't here yet.
Yeah.
Then,
Is that Damien?
yes, sir. Then in the midst of them doing that, the officer pulled up and tried to help his dad.
Yeah.
So as they were getting, like, scuffling back and forth, I guess, shit, I was like halfway right there. I guess he tried to, like, push the off. His son tried to push the officer.
How do you know them two?
Who's them?
Yeah.
The girl who just came here, that's my baby mom. That's my daughter's mom.
Okay.
That's her dad.
Okay, so you're the son-in-law.
Right.
Somewhat son-in-law.
Right.
I got you.
The
And
dude that's in the car
like
is the brother.
some kind of uncle, brother-in-law,
Right.
or whatever. All
He
right.
feels his way about the situation.
About you and her?
Right.
So that's where you guys got in the argument?
He got an argument by himself. I never said. We were in there eating
Yeah,
dinner.
just you two in general. We're just trying to figure out what exactly happened. So
we were in there eating dinner. Like, I had a plate in my hand eating food.
Yeah, I got
And
you.
we heard a knock at the door. And yeah, that's all. We heard a knock at the door. And shit.
What did he say? What did he say when he came to the door?
You is, and he swung and missed, but I just backed up, like, cause
Just
that's
out of nowhere? Like you guys were eating and then he showed up?
yes, we were all in there eating, but his dad already told us he was coming, so we could have a talk. His dad already said, that's my daughter right there. His dad already said, like, it's nothing's going down in here, like, this my shit. He respect me, ain't no fighting, none of that. We gonna talk like men and shit. We heard the knock at the door, and he came in. He tried to swing. He missed. I backed up. His dad grabbed him, pushed him to the door, told him, get out the house. Get out the house. He got out the house.
You two never got physical, though? He
Nah.
never laid a hand on you?
No, he didn't touch me. He didn't
All right.
I was standing.
How old is he?
I don't know him.
Or he's your brother?
Yeah, I don't know him. I was just.
Can we talk?
Why did he like?
You can bring her. That's fine. I like babies. All right. So, any idea why he would just come over and...
He don't like him.
He doesn't like, that's it?
That's it. They got into it over the phone like a week ago. And my daddy tried to make peace because he got to be to the house to help with her while I go to work. He wasn't trying to hear that. He told my daddy he was coming over here. My daddy said, don't bring your ass over here with that. Next thing you know, it's a knock at the door. We thinking it's my sister coming from work from the B section. He come in, trying to attack him. Then they get to squabbling. Then, yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I hit him too because he said something about me that was disrespectful as hell. So I ran up on him and hit his ass too. And then my daddy got, but mainly it was my daddy and him scuffling.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So what he getting charged with for swinging on the police?
That all... Well, it'd be resisting, if anything. I wasn't here for that part. Yeah. No, not yet.
I used to live in Palm Coast, so I already know how y'all operate. I ain't.
Well, it's not us, it's the state of Florida.
Right. I ain't going. I don't care about that.
Yeah. But you two never got physical and you're not related, so...
I never touched him, bro. That's his wife. She had me back in the living room. Like, she was pushing me back. I wasn't trying. I didn't touch him.
That's your stepmom?
Yeah.
So who all was present? You,
Everybody.
him,
All of
dad,
us.
you,
Everybody.
stepmom?
He's the only one that came by himself. Everybody who's out here right now, we were already in the house eating
Okay.
food.
But you have any injuries? None? Okay.
No.
None?
Those are all time.
Yeah, you're good. We show
I'm sorry.
No,
about that, man.
we show up, we need to take care of things and then calm everything down.
What, y'all taking him to jail? Don't take him to jail. I'll take him
So
home.
I don't even think he wants
I don't know what this I wasn't here, I don't know why he got locked up or put in handcuffs before that.
He don't drive. He never got in trouble in his life.
Yeah.
Never.
Well,
He's just, damn, man. He just should have just listened to me, man. Just fucking listen to me. I'm your dad. I always tell all my kids, I ain't gonna never tell, I'm your dad. I ain't gonna never tell you nothing wrong. Right? And take heed of what I tell you. Because I ain't gonna tell you nothing wrong. That was my brother. You tell me.
News for discussion.
The man was arrested on charges including battery on a law enforcement officer and resisting an officer without violence. He was booked into the Sheriff Perry Hall inmate detention facility before later being released on a $2,000 bond. Authorities said the incident began as an effort to de-escalate a disturbance before it escalated further. Want to watch more videos like this one? Click the one on the screen now.